What if I told you a credit card could actually make you money and lower your stress without changing your income at all? Sounds fake, right? But it's not. The difference between people who win with credit cards and people who feel trapped by them comes down to a few simple rules. Rule number one, pay the full balance every month. Not the minimum, the full amount. That's how you use the interest-free window and keep your money working for you, not the bank. Rule number two, keep your usage under 30%. Even if you're paying on time, maxing out your card can hurt your credit score. Staying low signals control, and lenders love that. Rule number three, treat your credit limit like cash. Ask yourself, could I pay for this today without the card? If not, it's a no. Simple rule, massive impact. Rule number four, match rewards to your real life. Cash back for everyday spenders, travel points if you're actually traveling. Don't buy stuff just for points. Points aren't groceries. Rule number five, check your statements every month. Mistakes and fraud can happen to anyone. Doing a 2-minute review can save you hundreds. Use these 5 rules and your credit card stops being risky and starts being powerful. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more such powerful videos.